Candlesticks patterns are the most important part of any trade. In fact, many traders are losing a lot of money only because they ignored these patterns, and you may not know this, but this is the major indicator that a lot of pro traders use as their last major signal to buy or sell in the market. Take a look at this trade that I took some days ago, a very smooth one, but how did I know that the market will rise up and buy? That's because I saw a great candlestick pattern here, at a point of breakthrough. But the truth is that there are many candlesticks pattern in the market, and not all of them work. But don't panic, cause in this video, I will be teaching you the best candlesticks patterns that works in the market, and have personally made me a lot of profits in my 9 years of trading. Do well to like this video, as it will help other traders find this video, and also become profitable, and subscribe to our channel if you are new here. So my tribe soldiers, let's get down into the business. The first candlesticks pattern, which is also one of my favorite candlesticks pattern that I personally like to trade with, is called the engulfing candlestick. I have combined this candlestick with a lot of strategies in some of my previous videos. It's such a strong candlestick because it can give you the exact point at which a reversal is about to happen. Now, what is an engulfing candlestick? Well, just as the name implies, it's a candlestick that appears as the opposite color of the previous candle and then completely engulfs it. It completely overshadows the previous candlestick. A bullish engulfing candlestick opens at the low, or below the low, of the previous bearish candle and closes above the high of the previous candle, while a bearish engulfing candlestick opens above the high of the previous bullish candle and then closes below the low of the previous candle. So they are basically being bigger than the previous candle on both sides, making it look as if it is engulfing it. Now, let me show you an example of this pattern at work on the chart. So here we found a strong resistance where price got rejected multiple times, telling us that price really respects the level. Then we see the price comes back up to the resistance level, and then we can expect the price to fall. But before entering the trade, we need a little more confirmation. So, rather than just assuming that the resistance level will help bring the price down, we want a little more confirmation signal. And that's when we see a bearish engulfing candle. It completely engulfs the previous green candle and is exactly at the resistance. This is an extremely bearish sign, and we can be pretty confident that the price will fall from here. So we enter the trade, and look what happens next, a successful one. Now, it's also important to note that just because there is a bullish or bearish engulfing candle at a particular point on the chart, doesn't mean that the price is going to reverse in that direction every time. You should not be making your trading decisions purely only on candlestick patterns. You will be using them like as though they were hints on which way the market is about to go, and not pure decision makers. Okay, now, let me show you a bearish example. So here we have the same type of setup, a strong support where price respected multiple times before, and we see the price comes back down and starts to slow down, giving us a bullish engulfing candle, completely engulfing the previous red candle when it touched the support line, and having this bearish engulfing candle appearing at the support line indicates that this is a good sign to enter the trade. Now look what happens next. The price rose up, and it was a successful one. The next candlesticks pattern is called the momentum candlestick. The momentum candle is a lot more easier to spot than the engulfing candle, purely because of its size. A momentum candle is simply a candle that is 2 to 3 times bigger than the previous candle before it. This candle can be insanely powerful because most of the times after it happens, the price will continue to move in our target direction, making that point a great time to enter. The most efficient and effective way to use this candlestick pattern is in choppy markets. When the price is moving sideways, if you ever see a sideways market and then a huge momentum candlestick appears, being 2 to 3 times bigger than the previous candle, you can be pretty certain that the price will continue in that direction. But why is that so? Well, think of it like this. Whenever there is a sideways market like this, there are a lot of sellers stuck in their trades. They don't want to exit their trade yet, because the price is moving sideways, and it can honestly still move in either direction. They draw their support and resistance, and set their stop losses right above the support. So that means there are going to be tons of traders setting stop losses all over this area, meaning that there is a lot of liquidity at that zone. And if there is a sudden price movement, and price hits this liquidation zone, all these stop losses will be hit, adding more fuel to the fire for this price to keep moving up. Also, when price breaks a choppy market like this, it usually starts a new trend in that direction. It's the same type of strategy with bearish setups. If there's a choppy sideways market, and you see a huge red candle that is 2 to 3 times bigger than the previous candle before it, this is a great indicator to enter a sell position, because it's likely that the market price will continue moving downwards. If you think these first 2 patterns are great, wait until you see the next candlesticks pattern that I will be revealing to you. And if you have a question so far, feel free to drop them in the comment section, as I will be answering them all. The next candlestick pattern is called the multiple candlestick pattern. This is one of my favorites, as it also works really great on the chart, and it is also very simple. The multiple candlestick pattern is when you have 3 or more candlesticks that have wicks going one direction. The more candles the better. I love to pair this candlesticks pattern with support and resistance key levels. So tell me, when you look at this chart, what do you see happening? Okay, first of all we have a key support level, where price bounces off multiple times. Then we have multiple candles, with wicks going downwards, exactly at the support level. And as you can see, all these candles have downward wicks, telling us that sellers are trying to break the support, but the buyers keep fighting them off, and are winning multiple times, confirming the fact that this is a key support, and price has a better chance of rising upwards. And like I said before, the more candles, the better the probability that the price will respect the pattern. Now, that was a bullish example. Let's see a bearish example. So here, price moved up to the resistance, and then we sighted multiple candles with their wicks heading upwards, telling us that price is no longer interested in moving up from here, giving us a good short entry. So we enter here, expecting price to reverse from this point, and take a look at what happened next. It did reverse, making the trade a successful one. The next candlestick pattern is called Maribozu. These are big candlesticks without a single wick in their structure composition, meaning that they are composed of only a big body. The bullish Maribozu is a big green candlestick without any wicks, so basically just a big green rectangle. The bearish Maribozu is a big red candle, also without any wicks at all in the formation. The cool thing about this pattern is that it's a good indicator that price will keep heading in the same direction that it was heading before. You will usually see this candle in the middle of a trend, confirming that the trend will keep moving upwards. Let's see an example of this. So here we saw a price reversal, and price is starting to head upwards. Then we see a bullish Maribozu candle. Notice how the candle has no upper or lower wicks. This means that the lowest price of this candle was the exact same as its opening price, and the highest point of this candle is the exact same as its closing price. This is telling us that buyers have complete control, and we can certainly predict that price will continue to go upwards. And look what happens next. Price continued moving upwards. The bearish side of the Maribozu also moves in the same idea, a red candle with 0 wicks, and here we can see the price made a reversal. We see a bearish Maribozu candle, telling us that sellers are in control, and price will probably keep moving downwards. So we enter a trade, and here we can see that the trade became a winning trade. These candlesticks are very easy to understand, and if you have been following everything that I have been teaching you in this video, you can see that they are actually very easy to identify on the live chart. But here comes my warning. You must never trade these candlesticks alone as a strategy. I know they are very powerful, but you will have to combine them with strong trading strategies, such as the support and resistance, supply and demand, trend lines and liquidity trading strategies. And for that, I have great strategies on this channel that will help you achieve your desired results. So now I will leave you with two choices. I know that some of you don't really understand the basics of candlesticks patterns, and even some of the most basic and simplest candlesticks patterns that pro traders use daily in the market, which cannot be left out in any great trading strategy. I have created a 30 minutes complete course that will fully lead you into the world of candlesticks trading, from the beginning to the end. In this video, you will learn everything about candlesticks trading, and on the other hand is a video that contains all the trading strategies in the market, so you can decide which one is best for you. Choose wisely. We are the Trading Tribe, and it's a wrap for this video. See you in the next one.